caught this spotted cod here. Nice fish, but I'm going to put him back. Nice little spotted cod. How you going? Want a cod? I think they're too small. Nice little fish. You been coming down at all?
Sorry?
You been coming down at all?
Yeah, we were down here a few days ago.
You get any?
We caught some nice pinkies.
Sorry?
Pinkies, pink snapper?
Yeah.
Caught a mulloway the one morning.
Doing this, were you?
No, fish with bait.
Yeah.
Yeah, fish slick.
Yeah, that's what I'm using. I was like, oh, I can get us a spotted cod. Yeah.
No, they're a nuisance here.
Sorry?
They're menace.
Oh, mate, yeah, I know. And the shark, there's been a shark all afternoon for about 10-12 foot.
Oh, really?
Feeding. He started over there, I saw this spin, he finished over here, and I was ballooning, but...
You actually fishing for sharks, that's all.
Well, I had a mullet out on a wire trace for a mackerel ballooning. Of course, got about 300 metres out and got the line caught on the edge here, didn't I? Just, you know, that's ballooning, you know?
Yeah. I was thinking of trying to balloon myself, but I don't know if there's enough wind.
Earlier, but it's probably too late now. Yeah. Oh, look at that. How are ya? Good. Kilometres of coastline, and he's got to come and stand on the rock I'm fishing on. The mind does boggle. So you got them other way the other night, did you?
Yeah.
Good size? They're probably the best if they're big enough. Yeah. Don't want them too big, you know. What's that?
Too much trouble to get them up there too.
Oh god, yeah. Yeah, it's been a shark there, like a big shark. Yeah. Yeah. Been right in here. He started on the far right. It's like a parrotfish.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is it?
I think they call them a parrotfish.
Very similar.
Yeah. Beautiful looking fish.
I don't know, certain fish like that you can't eat, eh?
Oh, yeah, I'm just chasing it. If I can get a snapper, great, but yeah, I'll put it back, you know. If I get something decent, you can have it. I'm going back tomorrow, so.
Oh, we going back to Africa.
Oh, there he's gone. Look at that. I've done my ankle, so I've got to be very, very careful. I've got to have a surgery on it. Oh, he'll go. The wave will get him. I hope. Thanks. You go back, you been here on holidays, have you? Where are you heading to?
I'm going back home to South Africa.
Okay.
Come from Durban.
Wow. I bet you've had a good time, have you?
Yeah, we've got some nice food.
Yeah. Whereabouts have you been? Just here or?
Yeah, we just fished right on the beach there. Fished Red Bluff.
Red Bluff Beach, you get some fish up there?
On the point there.
Yes.
Yeah, we caught some sort of Spanish 16 kilos.
Oh, he was the guy that got it. Yeah. What bait was he using? Darties? Yeah, I had one out earlier today that had a mullet on it, yeah. It was way out, and of course, typical, then I let some line out, and the line got caught on the edge here, you know. Well, you know, I've done that before, you know. It just drove me nuts. It's like, finally had it, yeah, it's hard work sometimes. I try and come up a bit. I always fish with Big Tailor, but I've sort of mastered that now, so I want to catch other stuff. I want to catch snapper and this sort of stuff.
A Tailor dragger this morning on 4 kilos.
A what?
A Tailor dragger beach this morning.
Which beach?
Waka. What's it?
Wago, yeah.
It's 4 kilos.
Yeah, they get big. Yeah, I know all about them. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad you've had a good time. Is the what? Oh, we're blessed, aren't we?
My country at night, we'd be robbed straight away.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm got some South African doctor friends of mine, and they've told me the same thing.
We live in a beautiful country, but under big stress.
Yes.
It cost me $1,000 a month for support. Dog, 2 dogs, bees around my house. When I'm away now, I've got to have one of my his friends stay there to give us the first night.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
No, it's insane, isn't it?
It's a crazy world we live in.
No, it's that run the country.
Sure. But in this modern day and age, it's beyond belief.
I'm very lucky, yeah.
It costs us a bit, but we love it.
What's cost with
Exactly. I mean, we're talking, you know, we're in winter now, May, you know, like.
No cost to safety, man.
Well, that's it. What time of day did he get? Oh, I'm local, Perth. Yeah. What time of day did he get that mackerel?
About 10:30.
Was it this? Yeah, son here got it. Yeah.
My other son,
Yeah.
About 10:30.
How did he have a rope gaff?
No.
How did he get it up?
We've got a special gas we bring from South Africa. They threads together. It's about 60 different long.
Right. Yeah.
And it came out on this side of the duff and you get down there and gaff it.
Yeah. Well, that's why I thought I'd come here, because I thought at least if I hook one, you can sort of, even here, you'd be alright, yeah.
This is a pleasure, this place.
Exactly, yeah. I've got a really good spot just up here a bit, it's fantastic. Like, 2 years ago I brought a friend of mine up here, we're catching like metre long tailor all week, and just putting them back. Metre long, like the stuff you got, you know, and just unbelievable. But with my ankle, I've got to have surgery on it, so. And being a tennis coach, I've got to be a bit careful. Yeah. I was going to have 3 weeks up here, but I've been getting physio. I've just been in a moon boot for a month, so I thought at least here I can walk down and be careful, you know.
Yeah, I know it's your last week.
Oh, jeez, I knew that would happen. Well, that's it. Yeah, I've had to do my last 2 weeks tennis coaching, sitting in a chair, feeding balls to the kids. It's like a bit of the old, well, when a doctor tells you there's nothing wrong with you and toughen up and sends you out the door again at the hospital, you know when you've got a problem, don't you?
Yeah,
you go to the physio for a sprained ankle, you go to the hospital when you're in trouble,
yeah,
you know?
exactly.